morning, people. Day 33 of whatever fucking challenge this is. Obviously, I'm on my way to the gymnasium, you know. Yeah, yesterday was a bit of a shit show. I did do the weight sets that I have been doing for the last month though, but my own fault because I hadn't planned what I was supposed to do yesterday. And every time I picked up something, somebody else either got in the spot that I was going on or the machine that I was going on. So I've gone back to planning. It's all kosher. I'm on my way. Well, not even joking. I feel fucking fantastic.